Hi, this is Liz with Egghead Fixers. Today we're going to show you how to replace a key on an Acer C710 series Chromebook. You're going to take your flathead, you're going to insert it between your retainer clip and keycap, making sure to be holding down that retainer clip like you see here in this photo, in between the keycap and retainer clip, so that you can then gently pull off the keycap. Then you're going to take your retainer clip and push up on it as much as you can to give you a little wiggle room so you'll be able to lift that plastic bar off those metal hooks. It can be a little tricky, so go ahead and gently do it. And once you have it off, once you have the top part off, it comes off really easily. Now, in order to install it, you're going to put the top in first. You're going to take that little plastic bar and you're going to hook it on the two little metal hooks. And then you're going to push down. Once you have it installed and all four hooks are hooked on the plastic, then you can just put the keycap on and push down just like so. And you're done.
I hope you liked our video today. Please, if you found it in any way helpful, like and share. Also, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. We'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. Also, if you like free IT advice, if you like knowing how your computer works and seeing how it gets repaired, go ahead and subscribe. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.